Hey guys, so I've been using the Chromecast for almost 3 years now and I really loved it, but recently I switched to the Amazon Fire Stick. Now here I'm going to talk about 5 reasons or 5 features, pros and 3 cons or issues that I found during my usage. Please give this video a like and also subscribe. Let's begin the video. So the first one is the Bluetooth connectivity. This is by far the best feature, at least for me. I mean, you can connect a lot of Bluetooth peripherals, especially the Bluetooth headphones or earphones. Now, I really love using my headphones while consuming content like YouTube or other stuff like Prime Video, Hotstar, whatever it is, and I'm actually loving the whole experience. Now the second one is the ability to set quality of the video that you are streaming. I mean, this is something that I was missing in the Chromecast. You can set the quality as per your requirement and the net speed, and this also works with other apps like the Hotstar, the Twitch, whatever it is. Most of the apps actually you can set the quality, which is really good because you are in control of setting the quality yourself. Now the next one is the voice remote. I have a lot of things to say about this, especially the first one is the ability to actually fast forward or actually go back when you are watching some video. For example, as you can see, just by pressing the button you can actually go back or go forward. This is really important for a streaming device because obviously you are actually watching videos most of the time, so this works seamlessly. And another thing is the voice assistant. It is integrated with the Alexa, so it is actually able to even pick up some regional words as well. So searching is pretty easy using the voice because of the detection and the ability to understand the regional languages as well. And just in case if you really have to use a keyboard, then using the keyboard on this remote is obviously pain. So you can actually download the Fire Stick app on the phone and you can actually type in the stuff that you want to search, and that way it works. So you are pretty much covered there as well. If you have the Amazon Prime subscription, then obviously you know that Prime Video doesn't work with Chromecast, but with this, the Fire Stick, obviously it works really well and the integration is very good. So if you're into a lot of Prime Video, this could be your best feature. The next feature is the dual band Wi-Fi. It can also connect to the 5 GHz routers, so this basically means less interference, and also if you have a very speedy network, then obviously this will support it really well. So in a way it is future proof. Now let's talk about the cons. The first one is the gaming. The Fire Stick is not really meant for gaming. Using the remote for gaming is going to be terrible. So you can also connect a game controller, but the thing is you can only play very casual games. You cannot really play high graphic intensive games because the specs don't really support that, and it is mainly meant for streaming content, videos or music. So definitely if you are looking for gaming, then I would suggest you to go for NVIDIA Shield. So that's that. So the next one is there is no official YouTube app. So basically in order to watch videos you can actually use Silk browser, which is recommended by Fire Stick, and the overall experience was pretty good. I didn't really miss the YouTube app. I mean, yes, it would be nice to have a official YouTube app, but I didn't really have much of a problem enjoying watching YouTube. The next minor issue is that the Amazon Fire Stick cannot be powered on with the USB built into the television. I mean, this would have been nice. The Chromecast works really well with the USB, but unfortunately the Fire Stick doesn't, so you really have to stick the cord onto the power outlet. So that's something that I found a little inconvenient. So that's been it guys. Let me know what you think. Please give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.